Wait, we only have 5 minutes together and we got a tray. New tray now.
I'm gonna put outside that trash. I'm gonna put it.
Okay. That one's also a long train.
You're welcome.
See that's starting to move.
Yeah. Maybe nice.
CSX is now moving.
Alright, give me 1 second, alright? I'm gonna need the cookies, that's alright. I'm gonna need to get the bread. And everyone just likes like one bus. This is a
No
great...
Funk Southern's moving.
Hey, Jordan. That's just all my great known cars right there.
You throw the trash.
Freeway me.
I'm gonna stop the food.
No, Bitman.
I'm gonna stop it now.
Got another train coming.
You get OXEs.
Uh-oh. They better slow down. This train needs to go.
I'm gonna touch it.
No. Ribbit, you're not filming. Alright, I'll film it.
You do it.
Hey Ben, I'm about to have to leave. Is there a pay if I honk the horn on it?
Yeah. 2.
2 is horn.
Yeah.
Ready, Ribbit?
I'm gonna touch a horn.
No, only I can.
I wanna do it. I'm gonna do it.
No, Ribbit, you're not pressing it right. You're just about. There you go, Ribbit.
This is recording people. I'm gonna record the people.
No, you're not. Going. Uh-oh.
Where's
he's
Jackson?
stopping.
Where's Jackson?
I don't know.
You hold it.
Film. Alright.
Hey Google, wheels on the bus.
Stop.
Wheels on the bus.
Nope, that train's coming.
It's Gayab. It's Gayab.
I did not see CSX back out.
I'm gonna knock the icon. Yeah, put it on it.
Absolutely not, really. No.
No.
Not until we get to... Wait, stop.
Hey, you're pushing. Huh? No. No stopping.
Then gets up, we gotta go. Ah, it may never go up. There's another train. There you go, time to go, we're not watching.